It's amazing here. I'm speechless. Hi, and welcome back to Mish Adventures. Today I'm here at the Pine Knob Trail in Sharon, Connecticut. I have never been here, so we're going to take a little adventure and see what this place is all about. You'll have to forgive the orientation of this video, but a lot of this stuff I upload to my Instagram, so I wanted to do it in this format, so it's just easier for me to put there. And if you haven't already checked out my Instagram, you can head over to Runnin' on Fumes. I do daily stories, just random stuff during the day, and also my adventures there too. Okay, so I made it to the trailhead. I got lost a little bit coming here when my navigation cut out, so I don't have any service, but I'm hoping I could just upload all these for you guys later. So it's about a 3-mile loop trail. This section of Connecticut is absolutely gorgeous. It sucks that it's an hour away from my house, but the drive up here is really nice too. So yeah, we'll see what the trail conditions are. It's a little cold today. I thought it was going to be 50, but no, it's about 35. So lucky me. So far this trail's gorgeous. I'm ascending now up to a lookout, so we'll see how that goes. But right now, it's so gorgeous. Ever since my experience on Cannon Mountain in New Hampshire with the ice, I honestly, every time I'm on an icy trail, I freeze up, like, no pun intended. I have like this mini panic attack, and this trail's like rock solid, but at least it's flat. I just came down off a ridge, and it took me 5 minutes to come down what would have taken me 10 seconds because I just froze up. So I just, either this shit has to melt or I have to get over it, because ice is a part of life. So I'm on the section of the trail that is actually, it's the New England Scenic Trail, but it also shares the trail with the Appalachian Trail. So you see white blazes behind me, along with blue blazes, and I will be using part of this section of the Appalachian Trail for my backpacking trip in May. So it's cool to see the terrain and just get a little more familiar with this area. But I'm going to carry on because this ice got me like... walking along the stream now for at least 5 minutes, and it's absolutely amazing. The waterfalls here are just incredible. Oh my god, I love it. So This is my current situation. I swear to God. It's amazing. It's amazing here. I'm speechless.
So here's the area where the New England Scenic Trail splits off from the Appalachian Trail. Appalachian Trail goes to the left. We today are going to the right.
Although I really want to go to the left. But real life, I gotta go back home. In May though, I'm coming back here for a 2-day adventure on the Appalachian Trail in Connecticut. So stay tuned for that.
These New England stone walls are simply amazing. And it's somewhat of a mystery. You know, was this someone's property? Was it farmland?
So if you haven't already, you can subscribe. I will be taking you on more adventures this year in New England, Connecticut, and hopefully see some really amazing things like we did today.